Hello family and friends, welcome to Pagan's Beauty. I hope you enjoy this video. We're gonna start off parting in the middle but in a diagonal section. Friends, I do want to let you guys know that anything that's needed to complete this hairstyle, I will tag all the products here on YouTube. So please do look out for them. Now at this point of the hairstyle, we're going to start braiding, and it's a 3-strand braid. Now that the braid is complete, the most important part is to fan out the braid, and that's getting the edges of the braid and pulling them out so the braid can look significantly bigger. I hope you guys, friends, are finding this video easy to follow. The second ponytail, we're going to do exactly the same as we did the first ponytail. Friends, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. Give me a like and comment your favorite part. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, friends, bye.